Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how to add friends on Duolingo. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So what you need to do, you have to go to your phone's application, and after that you have to type Duolingo. Once you go to the Duolingo, it will take you to the screen. And we have to just wait for 1 to 2 seconds for it, and as you can see here, we are on the main screen, and on the third icon we can see the leaderboard here. So once you click on the leaderboard, as you can see, it says you have to complete 9 more lessons to start competing. So I have not completed any lessons. So if you have completed your 9 lessons, so as you can easily like add friends to your profile, and you can see a bunch of other people which you want to add to your profile. So that's how you can add some friends or whatever you want to do. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thank you so much.